Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to unlock your locked home screen layout. You can see here my icons are here. If I try to move this one, that does not working because you can see here home screen is locked. So it is a protective method. If you have you can set it to your mother's parents or grandmother's phones. Okay, they are using, and they will be those applications will be moved somewhere else, so that is very difficult to find like phone applications. And you can simply prevent these things from doing home lock screen. And currently my home lock screen is turned on, but if I need to add any widget here, I re-enable to this home lock screen unlocked. So how to do that? Just press and hold, then select more, then you can see here home screen layout, and simply tap on that. Now it is turned off. Okay, then you try to move something, it simply move. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.